Hi, I'm going to show my morning routine with multiple dogs and puppies with children. Axel, let's go. Let's go and get ready for school now because the Zoom van will be here soon. Let's go eat breakfast. Brush your hair. Good job. You'll notice our mornings are quiet because this year I started a new routine with getting him ready, focus on him and the kitchen and noise in the kitchen before I get to the dogs. So they've already learned, like, if you look up anything on back chain training with dogs, they hear all these noises of a daily routine of me getting him ready for school outside and the gate and the sound of the cars and all of that before I tend to them. And that's just retrain them into waiting for their time with me. So at this point, still the puppy is sleeping in a puppy pen area. They have their litter box tray, and so they're able to play with each other and go to the litter box in the mornings, but they're still not able to hold their bladder for long periods of time. And each of puppies, we train them too. They're able to train during the day with training, but it's something you have to continue. If you're going to do crate training, you have to take out your puppy in the morning or have them in a playpen area where they can get out of their crate and go to the litter tray while you get your child ready for school or to school. Right. Hey. Hi. Okay. It's about 7:22 a.m. And now I'm going to feed the dogs and walk my male dog out here. 7:36. I'm gonna walk Biko, our adult male dog. Let's go. And have him sit here. Sit. Sit. No. He has a chew toy in his mouth. You can't really see. Nope. Oh, wait. Forgot the most important thing on a dog walk is this. Doggy bags. Doggy disposal bags. Make sure you have them on. It is now 7:44. I'm still walking around the block. Phew.
What the heck?
He just wait.